Number 5 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. It's time for a road trip with my mother-in-law. Riding shotgun with us is her little dog. We feed him snacks and we rub his head. She tells us that he is the perfect pet. Hours and hours riding down the road. He has forgotten that he is not at home. Oh my God, we've got to get some air. That smell is coming from where? It is his derriere. Oh, flower blossom, it's an odoriferous breeze. Oh, flower blossom, you are so cute to me. There was a boyfriend 6 months ago. He was so cute, I'd never let him go. We'd like to watch Netflix and chill. We'd get takeout and he'd pay the bill. Oh, it felt like paradise when I was snuggled by his side. Oh my God, I need to escape. How can I evacuate? I might retaliate. Oh, flower blossom, it's an odoriferous breeze. Oh, flower blossom, you are so cute to me. All my life, I have lived alone. I don't know what others would condone. Oh, I feel a little rumble down in the depths of my tum-tum. I don't think that he can detect if some of this air ejects. Oh my God, the air creeps and seeps. I do this repeatedly, 'cause actually the flower blossom is me. Oh, flower blossom, it's an odor-free breeze. Oh, flower blossom, I do it silently. As he becomes my partner, there's all these points to ponder. If his ear doesn't hear, should I still shout all clear? If his nose doesn't know, is there any reason to disclose? Oh, flower blossom, it's an odor-free breeze. Oh, flower blossom, the flower blossom is me.